Hi, this is Ron Kaufman. I want to talk to you about how to give a constructive complaint. Let's face it, we don't always get the quality of service that we'd like to receive in life. And there are times when you'll want to complain. But rather than just pounding on the table and being the angry customer, there's a more constructive way. First, contact the service provider and let them know you're a loyal customer with a complaint. You're getting in touch with them to give them a chance to take good care of you, win you back, and improve their business. Number two, state clearly exactly what happened. Let them know the facts. Number three, if there's a specific suggestion or recommendation that you have about how they can improve their service, not just for you, but for all of their customers, this is the time to state clearly your suggestions and your recommendations. Number four, tell them specifically what you would like them to do for you, how they can bounce back and recover your loyalty, how they can retain you as a positive and happy customer. And finally, thank them for taking action. Remind them that a customer with a complaint is actually a loyal customer. Let's face it, in today's world, it's easier to complain than ever before. Some people go online and rant and yell and scream and spread a lot of bad will. But that isn't really how you can get better service in your life. So the next time you have a complaint, make it a constructive complaint. Help the service providers give you what it is that you need. Help them provide the service that people like you deserve.